welcome back to the channel, here for another Tai Chi for Beginners session, an easy Tai Chi session for you to follow along at home, keeping you fit, healthy and active. I'm here today with one of my class members called Sue. So how long have you been coming to Tai Chi, Sue?
I started in January 24 after hearing about classes from a friend.
Yes.
So about 6 months or so now.
Yeah, and how are you finding it? What do you feel the benefits are from coming to Tai Chi?
Well, I love it. I love it because I think it's one of the few places I feel my mind and body are in the same place at the same time.
Yeah.
And while I'm in Tai Chi, I can just focus on that, and I feel the benefits of that. It sort of clears my mind a little bit, and I can feel the difference using my body as well in that way.
Yeah, it's really, sometimes it's known as mindful movement or moving meditation, because we really want to focus on the body as it's moving, try and connect in the mind to body, and that's one of the reasons why I like it, is I can't think about my list of things to do or my stress and my worries. I've got to focus on my body, and it's also nice gentle exercise, isn't it? We're going to get started, so just keep everything within your comfort zone and just enjoy yourself. Here we go. Yeah. So we're going to start off with a warm up, so feet hip width apart. Think about your posture. We're lifting up through the body and just keep everything relaxed. We're just going to turn our head nice and slowly. And the other way. Chin to our chest. Let's do our shoulder rolls. So just trying to release any stress and tension. Changing direction. We're bending our knees, and we're going to do our knocking on the door of life. So we're turning from the waist. So swinging the arms nice and freely and just loosening and warming up. And bringing it back to our centre. Keeping our knees bent. Let's do our hip circles. And let's change direction. And then stretching high, so a big breath in. And breathing out. Relaxing as the hands come down and again. Big breath in. Yeah, very nice. Just give your legs and arms a shake. And then we'll take our feet slightly wider than hip width. Again, thinking about your posture, we're starting with our horse stance. And we're just going to sink down. So like we're sinking our weight into the floor, keeping the posture tall. Let's do that again. Yeah, very nice. So breathing in as we're coming up and breathing out. So we're going to add some arms. So we're going to circle the arms around and we're going to push our ball forwards. So circle round and push forwards. Nice big breath in and breathing out. Focusing on our ball, like we're moving our hands through water, we're adding that resistance. Let's take it to our side bow. So bending one knee, and coming up to the centre. So transferring the weight but keeping the posture nice and tall. Lifting up through the crown. So we're taking it down, we're going to slide across. And bring it up. And the other way. So we're going to add our arms. So bringing the hands up and then we're going to circle round and push out to our side. Then circle round and push the other way. Yeah, very nice. And bringing it back to our centre. Nice. We're going to move on to our bow stance. So heel toe into your bow stance. Still think about your posture. And we're just going to rock backwards and forwards. So that nice, slow, rhythmic movement. Really intentional with our transfer of weight. The arms up as we go forwards and then bringing it in and pushing that ball out. So focusing on our moving hands and push out. How many we've done? I'm in my flow, so we'll just turn and let's do that the other side. So heel toe into our bow stance, nice posture, and we're rocking backwards and forwards. Finding my own balance, there you go with your t-shirt. That's what we're here for, isn't it? So we're bringing it up. And we're bringing it in and then pushing forwards. Yeah. to go slightly wider than hip width, and then we can use that side bend. We're going to take our arm across. We're going to turn the hand and push across, like we're pushing through the air, we're scooping it around. Like we've got that chi energy. We're working through and scooping all that positive energy around. And again. And connecting mind to body, so really focus on the moving hands. Feel every part of the movement. And swap hands this time, so bringing the hand down, other hand coming across the body, we're turning the hand and pushing. And let's step in. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, you can really feel yourself getting into the zone with that one, yeah. Sure. Okay, so we're going to start with our feet slightly wider than hip width again, and we're just going to do a little combination. So we're sliding across, we're going to circle our hands, we're going to heel toe into our bow stance and push forwards, and then we're going to take our weight back onto the back foot, tap into our empty stance, and do our white crane, spreads its wings. Yeah, nice. And then step to the side, and do it on the other side. So circle the hands, side bend, heel toe into your bow stance, pushing forwards, and then we're coming back onto our back foot, into empty stance, white crane, turning the waist, and then we bring the hand down. Yeah, lovely. And then stepping in. Let's do that again. So, making it flow. One more on each side. Yeah, nice. Nice stretchy one now. So we're going to bring our hands up. Nice big breath in. And turn the palms and stretch out. stretching the legs. And then as we sink down, might take the feet a little bit wider. As we sink down, we're going to draw a line straight down that midline. Place the hand on top. And bring the hand around. So really want you to focus on this moving hand. Focus on the palm. And bring it straight down. And again. Very good, thanks Sue for joining me. Yeah, did you feel like we found our balance? I think we did.
I think you can feel the difference when you are in a flow.
Yes, yeah. There's definitely something nice and relaxing about that, isn't it?
Concentration and that. It feels the body and the mind is together just in
that
time.
Yeah, exactly. I like this movement for that. It's very simple, but it's very effective, isn't it? Yeah. Excellent, good. Well, I hope you've enjoyed that. Do join us for some more, but other than that, we'll say goodbye. So see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
I told you the dog had come out.
You did. Almost on cue.
I know.